Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make an IR circuit for a basic line follower. Let's have a look at the components. The darker one is IR transmitter, whereas the lighter one is IR receiver. We require 1 kilo ohm resistor and 10 kilo ohm resistor. We are making a 3 sensor circuit, so we require 3 of these components. Let's have a look at the circuit diagram. We have a common ground and a common VCC. The negative terminal of transmitter is connected to ground, whereas positive is connected to one strand of 1 kilo ohm resistor, which is in turn connected to VCC. Whereas for the receiver, the positive is connected to ground, the negative is connected to one strand of 2 kilo ohm resistor, which is in turn connected to VCC. We are making a 3 sensor circuit. We have to rig this twice. I have rigged it up. We have to supply 5 volts to it. We are using a 7805 for this purpose. When switching off the lights, the transmitters go. Hooray! Your circuit is working. Congratulations!